Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Lenovo Tab P12 Pro to an Android device. Begin with opening Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. After that, just open it. Now you need to click on I accept over here, then confirm, continue and allow. After that, select Receive on an Android and Send on Lenovo. Then tap on all of those dots and select Send here. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on Got It. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. After that, we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!